Tehillim 30, a Psalm. A song for the dedication of the temple, by David. I will extol you, Yahuwah, for you have raised me up, and have not made my foes to rejoice over me. Yahuwah, my Elohim, I cried to you, and you have healed me. Yahuwah, you have brought up my soul from Sheol. You have kept me alive, that I should not go down to the pit. Sing praise to Yahuwah, you saints of his. Give thanks to his holy name. For his anger is but for a moment, his favor is for a lifetime. Weeping may stay for the night, but joy comes in the morning. As for me, I said in my prosperity, I shall never be moved. You, Yahuwah, when you favored me, made my mountain stand strong. But when you hid your face, I was troubled. I cried to you, Yahuwah, to Adonai I made supplication. What profit is there in my destruction if I go down to the pit? Shall the dust praise you? Shall it declare your truth? Hear, Yahuwah, and have mercy on me. Yahuwah, be my helper. You have turned my mourning into dancing for me. You have removed my sackcloth and clothed me with gladness, to the end that my heart may sing praise to you and not be silent. Yahuwah my Elohim, I will give thanks to you forever.